Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing us how we can cover up our old leather chair. As you can see, we have this old leather chair, and it is already worn out, as you can see. So all these places that you see that is torn, we are going to sew them up before covering the chair with the new fabric. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome, and I hope that you enjoy yourself watching this particular video. There are also other videos that I've also uploaded that will be of interest to you, and you give your comment afterward. So let's go. So as you can see, we're going to be needing this needle. So if you can see that it is not the straight needle, this one is a bend needle. Why we are using this one is that it will enable us to sew directly into the to hold the old fabric together. We are doing that just to cover up the opening. As you can see, like I said earlier on, we finished stitching the part that was torn, so that it can give us a good smooth covering. So we're going to be cutting out the shape of this sitting area. So this is the cutout area of this is the cutout fabric. So we are going to be fixing it. We are going to cut out the excess, okay? We'll cut out the excess. The fabric of the sitting area. I just did this just to see if the actual size that I cut out from the fabric will fit into the chair. So what I'm going to do next now is to pull out the fabric and apply a gum to keep the fabric directly. So I'm going to be applying this glue directly to the chair, the sofa, like that. I'm going to be doing that all around the sitting area of the chair before you just make sure that the fabric gets down to the as you can see, we've already covered the sitting area. Now we are going to be covering the bottom side of the chair. So we are going to be applying the fabric down to the bottom. Okay, we are going to attach this fabric to the bottom. Like I said earlier, what I did was that I had to fold the edge of the fabric by gluing it together so that it can form a very smooth edge. So I will be gumming it now with the glue to the chair like this. Then later on we'll be as you can see, we've already done the bottom side of the chair. So we'll be doing the finishing by nailing. As you can see, with the sitting area and the bottom of the chair. So what is left now is the chair handle, the hand of the chair. So we're going to be cutting out the shape of the hand of the chair and fixing it to it with the glue. So as you can see now, we want to cover the hand of the chair. We first of all apply the We are done with the two hands of the chair. So what is left now is the bottom. We are going to fold the fabric that you are seeing now. We're going to fold it to the bottom of the shape. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for you to be updated with the new videos I'll be uploading. As you can see, we're almost done with the chair. I just want to quickly tell us what the little things we're going to be doing to the chair, just to give the chair a little bit of beauty. You're going to be attaching these nails to it. You have to be very careful when doing it.